Imagine a future where the lines between human and machine are blurred beyond recognition. A future where our thoughts, memories, and even our consciousness could merge seamlessly with artificial intelligence. I know it sounds like a science fiction movie, but what if I told you this might not be as far off as we think? What if I told you that Elon Musk, the man behind Tesla, SpaceX, and countless other innovations, is already working on a way to make it real? Yeah, I know, it's mind-blowing, but this is exactly what Musk's latest venture, Neuralink, is all about. This company is working on something that could completely change how we interact with technology, and maybe even with each other. So how does this work? Neuralink is developing a technology that aims to directly connect our brains with computers. Picture this: a chip, smaller than a coin, implanted into your skull. Ultra-thin threads, even thinner than a human hair, linked directly to your brain. Sounds insane, right? But that's exactly what Musk and his team are building. But before we dive into the science, let's step back. What does this actually mean for us? Well, for one, it means unlocking an entirely new level of human potential. This isn't just about convenience. This is about evolution. Musk doesn't just want to augment the brain. He wants to create a true symbiosis between humans and AI. Imagine instant access to knowledge. Imagine communicating without speaking. It sounds like science fiction, or maybe, depending on how you look at it, a dream or a nightmare. Think about it: uploading your thoughts, your memories, even your consciousness into a digital system. With this tech, learning becomes instant. Want to speak French? One thought, and bam, you're fluent. Need to solve a complex equation? Just think. Your brain is now linked to a vast AI network with endless processing power. But let's not sugarcoat it. This isn't plug-and-play tech. We're talking about brain surgery here. This chip, it's implanted inside your skull. A robot handles the procedure, designed to be incredibly precise, avoiding damage to delicate brain tissue. These threads are almost invisible to the naked eye, thinner than hair. Once inserted, they connect your brain to a chip that acts like a bridge to computers and potentially AI. So, why would anyone do this? Musk believes this tech might help us stay ahead of runaway AI advancement. He's been vocal: if we can't beat AI, maybe we have to join it.
If you can't beat them, join them. Neuralink gives us a shot at keeping up. If we want to survive the AI revolution, we have to merge with it.
It sounds wild, but Neuralink has already made history. They've tested this tech on animals with stunning results. One monkey, it played a video game using only its mind. No hands, no controller, just brain signals. But the human brain is far more complex. So the real question is, can this work for us? Will it truly enhance our minds, or will it backfire? And what about the dark side? What if your thoughts could be hacked? What if your brain could be controlled? In the wrong hands, this technology could open doors we're not ready to walk through. The more we rely on tech to enhance our minds, the more we risk losing control of them. It's a double-edged sword, and we need to wield it with caution. Still, Musk believes this is humanity's next step. Not a luxury, a necessity. He's betting that merging with machines is the only way to keep us relevant, to stay in the game as AI evolves. But are we ready? Are we truly ready to give up part of what makes us human in exchange for something greater? The future is coming. Whether we fear it or embrace it, only time will tell.